Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the nail precisely. File, push cuticle, and wipe with alcohol so the chrome adheres. Next, fit a chrome-compatible form or dual form that matches the nail curve and desired length. Once positioned, roughen the natural nail lightly and apply a thin builder gel base. This creates mechanical grip. Make sure to cure each thin layer under LED for the recommended time so layers don't lift. This early structure prevents premature chipping and sets the canvas for chrome. You sculpt the extension by applying one then another thin layer of builder gel to form the apex and free edge, curing each layer fully. This gives strength and prevents flex. Once shape is smooth, apply a no-wipe or tack-free top coat and cure. This step is crucial because chrome powders bind to a slightly tacky surface differently, so using a tack-free finish prevents excess transfer. Then, using a soft applicator, rub chrome powder into the cured surface until you achieve an even, mirror-like. You finish by sealing the chrome with 2 thin coats of gel top coat, curing thoroughly to lock the mirror effect and prevent fingerprinting. Make sure to clean around the cuticle line and remove any powder residue with a soft brush and alcohol so the finish looks crisp. If you see lifting later, lightly buff the lifted area back to raw surface, apply nail dehydrator and primer where needed, reapply builder or top coat, and cure. This repairs adhesion without redoing the whole extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.